on, guys? We are back with another video. As you guys can see by the thumbnail and the title, we are going to be doing another Truth or Drink video. So guys, if you have not watched our first Truth or Drink video, we did that, what, 2 years ago?
About that, yeah.
We did that video about 2 years ago, and let's just say somebody got drunk. We ain't gonna say no names.
It wasn't a guy.
But somebody got drunk and missed their hair appointment. So, didn't I have the hair appointment the same day?
Yeah,
it was the same day.
Great thing, you actually got in the, you like you was jumbo, you still remember, still aware, cause you got dressed. You was like, babe, come on, my appointment, babe. You over here robbing left and right. Like, babe, you can't go. You're like, babe, come on, let's go. We got in the car, we drove, not even halfway, we drove like down the street. I'm like, oh no, I'm turning. Cancel, bro. She was determined to go. She was determined.
Y'all, I did not want to miss that hair appointment. I felt so bad because the stylist, like, I had already made the appointment. It was probably like, what, an hour or like 30 minutes to an hour before the appointment time. And I did not think that I was gonna get drunk. I think I took like 3 or 4 shots and
I didn't think you was either.
Out of there. I got drunk and I missed my hair appointment. I ended up throwing up on the feeder road. Like, remember?
Like multiple times.
I opened that car and I said, babe, I gotta throw.
I'm like, babe, I can't stop right here. I can't. I'm like, oh my god.
I opened that door.
I pulled over into the McDonald's.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, I
popped that door open real quick because I didn't want to throw up in the car and I didn't want to throw up on myself. So I opened that door real quick. He was still like driving and I opened that door, threw it. I was out of it, y'all. I told myself I would never get drunk again. That was the worst. I don't see how people can do it. I don't see how people can drink to have a hangover and be drunk and be throwing up like, oh my gosh. It felt like I was throwing up my guts, y'all. Like, that's a little TMI.
I don't remember what we did wrong because you was drinking the chaser, right? I think.
Mm-hmm. I think it's because I didn't really eat that day. Like, I didn't really eat that much before. Yeah. So today I did eat a little pasta and I ate some crackers and we're gonna see if they do what it do. But y'all, I'm telling y'all, first time drinkers that don't drink that much, this is not for you, honey.
Mm-hmm. I feel like today gonna be a good day for you, man. I didn't get no hard questions or anything like that because I didn't know what questions to put. So
I didn't get any. I don't have any basic questions.
What I mean? So it's not easy.
I don't know, it might be, but so I don't have like what's my favorite color. Those type of questions. I don't have those.
Oh, they bomb up. I mean, you want to get drunk today?
You might get drunk today. I don't know. We'll see. So we're gonna ask each other with like 5 questions. 5 questions each. So we're gonna ask each other 5 questions each, and the way the game is, it's called Truth or Drink. So whenever I ask him the question, he either has to tell the truth, or if he doesn't want to tell the truth, he has to take a shot. So we do not have shot glasses. So we're gonna use these little what is these little wine glasses my mama gave us whenever we first moved in. So we're just gonna pour like about a shot in this glass. So how much will we pour up to, like right here? Think that's a shot?
Probably.
Okay, we'll see. We'll see. So the drinks that we have, I have the New Amsterdam Pink Lemonade Vodka. I've never like really tried this by itself. I've always had it with something else, I think.
Lemon strong?
No, I've never had this one. I never had this. I always had like, my mama always make my drinks for me, so she would make them real
white rum. We get one white rum.
White rum?
Put that boy in that. Put in that gravy.
And babe has Hennessy. This is the only like alcohol he drinks.
Yeah, I said I don't think I'm drinking. Cause I'm American drinking, nothing like that. So yeah. So I'm on it. Get Hennessy. It's like every time I do this, I get something different.
I do.
And I get the same thing.
You get the same thing, Hennessy.
That's why I feel like I don't really get drunk because I'm so used to it.
Mm-hmm. And
don't get me wrong, it's still strong. I'm still going that.
Right.
But
you used to like what it tastes like. Whatever.
Yeah.
So yeah. You ready for it, babe? You ready for this?
Ready.
Okay, guys. So we finna get straight into this video. So
ready? Mm-hmm. Threesome with girls or guys?
What? Threesome with a girl or a guy?
Yeah.
So it would be me and 2 girls or me and 2 guys?
Yeah. What?
Ooh.
What? You drink right, sir?
I wouldn't do either.
What? You have to pick one. That depends the choice. Wait, say what I'm saying?
No.
I don't want to know.
I'm not answering. I wouldn't do neither. Okay, look.
Wait, man, not neither. You have to pick one out of two.
I'm not doing either because if I do a threesome with 2 guys, they gonna stick me in both holes. So it will be you and another guy and me.
No, man, me and the bumbo club. What? No. No.
I would not do it with 2 guys because I don't know. I don't want that much aggression everywhere.
So
like
I do the female.
I wouldn't do it with 2 females because.
So which one you got to pick? You can't pick. It has to be either or a drink. One type 2.
I would drink to this.
All right.
That's a shot. Okay. These are what you do.
Come on, get drunk again.
Smell it. Oh gosh, I smell the Amsterdam in it.
So it's
Open that. Oh god.
My chest I heard
Open
fear
that
already.
up. I thought.
My chest I heard fear already. Man, I think mine's stronger than yours. I think mine was
You know how you can tell like
40% on yours was 30. Boom, 30.
13?
30.
30? Oh my gosh, yo. I'm scared. This is more than a shot.
See, you're thinking about it too much.
Okay.
Let's drink it. You want to chase it?
Ooh.
Wait, I go! You have a cup! You have a cup for a reason, right? You have a cup! You have a cup! How much you want this? You have a cup?
Woo, baby, I ain't had time for that cup.
I'm taking.
Oh my god, that's nasty. Why did I pick that?
It's strong?
Huh?
It's strong?
No, I can taste the pink lemonade in it, but it's just like that vodka. That vodka just hit you first. Then the flavor come after.
But I think it's strong, no?
Yes. What's something you're glad mommy doesn't know about you? What is something that mommy doesn't know and you're glad she doesn't know it? Mind you, she watches our YouTube channel, and I will definitely send her the link to this video. Ooh. If you don't have an answer, you have to drink.
Huh?
You have to drink if you don't have an answer.
If no answer, what if I'm without? Wait, no shit, why would I say that? Hold on there.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
man, say something. You know what I gotta say?
What?
You know what I gotta say?
I'm showing her this video.
I'm like, you want to show this video?
Okay.
When we were younger in high school, we used to skip school a lot. Oh.
I thought she already knew that. That's why she locked you out the house that time.
No, she didn't know that.
Oh, she didn't know you be skipping school?
No, she didn't know that.
Yes.
She don't know that. I ain't gonna lie, I skip school a lot, bro. In Jamaica days, I skip school a lot, bro. Growing up with bro house.
Horrible.
We used to cook, play the game all day.
Is that something that you never told her before? That you was scared to tell her?
I think I'm gonna drink. I'll drink, but I think that's something I didn't tell you. I don't remember. It's a couple more stuff that I'm not gonna. I'll just drink. Fuck it.
He's saying something that he's not gonna tell her. Okay, all right, dang, baby. You poured a.
I'm gonna shot this, baby.
Yo, he poured a shot. He poured a big man shot. Oh! Woo! Swallow it. Ooh. 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 Woo!
What's one thing you attempt in bed but regret it?
Say it again.
What is one thing you attempt in bed but regret it?
Oh my gosh, bro. What's one thing that I've attempted in bed?
Yeah, but regret it.
But I regret it. I don't regret nothing I attempted in bed.
For real? You sure? Think hard.
Think hard. Why, you think of something I attempted?
No, that's not actually the question.
Oh gosh. What's one thing that I've attempted in bed that I regret?
So wait, say if you don't have nothing, then what?
Huh?
If you don't have nothing, then
I mean,
you don't drink?
That'd be my truth. Like, you tell the truth to it. So if I feel like I ain't did nothing, then that's the truth.
But what if y'all lie? Oh, we know if y'all lie. What if y'all lie? Oh, we're gonna know y'all lie. You could not lie.
Do you feel like it's something that I've attempted?
May I ask you the question?
I know, but like...
Answer the question. Yes or no?
There's nothing that I've attempted.
Okay, ask me a question. You know. No. Okay, I gotta turn the question around upon me.
No.
No, ask me a question.
Man, I'm serious.
I'm serious.
Okay, so my question to you, what on my body do you not like?
I know. Where is that for?
What?
Oh yeah, your breath can stink. Joke. What on your body I don't like?
Mm-hmm.
Damn. I don't know.
You know?
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I like everything about your body, so I don't know. I might try to think, I don't know. Yeah, I like everything about your body. Yeah, I like everything about your body. If you had one night with Michael B. Jordan, would you cheat? So wait, you gonna cheat? You gonna cheat? Wait, you gonna fucking man? You gonna cheat? That means you gonna cheat. That means she gonna cheat. She tricky. You gonna cheat. That means you gonna cheat.
Lord, I come to you as a humble servant.
Man, I got F my girl to bum buckle out.
Woo!
Man, I got F my girl, dog. I know. You don't want your cranny body anyways. You don't want your cranny body anyways. You don't want your body anyways.
Oh my God. Do you want to have a baby with me this year?
Respectfully, no. Oh, I'm visiting.
What you mean respectfully? No.
Eventually, but we're not having a baby this year, baby. We're not baby this year?
Mm-hmm.
Who says so? Me. God never told me I got baby this year. God never told me that.
Not God never told you we not.
God never told me that stuff.
Alright, y'all, he don't want a baby this year. Maybe next year. Maybe we'll have a little Bennett running around here next year.
So growing up as a kid, I wanted to be what as a future job?
Firefighter.
What?
No. He wanted to be a doctor. Yeah.
What kind of doctor?
A brain doctor. Neurologist.
No.
The fuck? What kind of doctor you want to be?
Huh?
You ain't tell me.
Yes, I did. I know I did. Years ago, I told you. 5, 4,
Ooh.
3. We have all night.
A heart doctor.
A heart, no. Never seen nobody hearts up. Nobody did not cost for me. One.
Dentist.
No.
What kind of doctor?
Pediatrician doctor.
Oh, you want to work with the babies?
I told you that.
Did you?
Years ago.
Man.
Drink.
Jeez, why I feel like this is getting bigger and bigger. Oh Lord.
Oh Lord.
Oh Lord. Oh Lord, Jesus. What's the name of your favorite ex?
Manium.
Mm-hmm.
I think. Yeah, pumps of her. Yeah, pumps of her.
Okay.
No, I can't buy any because the thing is, I don't think she watch our channel, but we know people who know how to watch the channel. So, but
Oh, you ain't gonna say?
No, I'm not saying it.
What's her name, Bennett?
Who?
What's her name?
Her name is Lane.
Y'all, if y'all know who he talking about, comment down. What? Ooh, baby, you gonna be drunk.
Oh, they're drunk with that.
Oh, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Alright guys, we are done with this video. I am feeling these drinks.
Calm down. You're doing too much. You're doing too much.
I'm doing too much movement.
And movements.
I'm feeling these drinks. I don't know how many shots I took. Let me know in the comment section below. This bottle is almost gone. This bottle will be saved. These will be saved for our birthday. Y'all, he got this little bit. Yo, so I almost drank a whole thing of yours. If we want to talk about.
Mine is stronger though.
Yeah, true.
If you was drinking anything, you'd have been drunk, right? You'd have been out of there right now.
I would have been
completely out of there.
Been out of there.
That's what I should. Actually, let's go one more question. Well, you gotta drink mine, and I drink yours. Boom.
Come on then, what you got?
All right, guys, last one. Last one. All right, I was born in Kingston, Jamaica, right?
No, I'm not way doing this motherfucking shit.
Why are you ready to what? We know we show you this already. We know we show you this already. I was born in Kingston, Jamaica, right? What was the name of the hospital I was born in?
St. Angeles.
We're done.
I remember that shit. Oh my gosh.
We're done.
Wait, no, I got one. What is the one thing that I've always wanted to be when I grew up?
Give me an example, give me in a sentence.
What?
Give me an example, give it to me in a sentence.
Give you an example.
Give it to me in a sentence.
SyVon has always wanted to be this when she grew up.
You never told me that.
Yes, I did.
She wanted to be a nurse. Right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video right there. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below any other videos you guys I want to see, and then we catch you guys in the next video. Peace.